Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to connect your MT4 or MT5 to your TradingView. So here we're going to use a website called your tradeadapter.com. So TradeAdapter will utilize your Pine script strategies so that you'll be able to use TradingView with this such like MetaTrader, Binance, and many much more. But you can connect directly to Mexi, Bybit, or Binance, but some other trading platforms that doesn't actually allow you to do that. So here you just go to the list of supported brokers and instructions, and here you will see MetaTrader 5. So you will choose which one right here, either MT4 or MT5. So let's go with MT5. First thing you'll have to do is download the Trade Adapter Expert Advisor for MT5 right here. If you want to go with the beta, you can do so, but you want to go with the stable one right here, so that's better. So if you're using your Windows, of course, you want to actually check this out. So it's going to be copying this EA into your MT5 terminal, which is going to be this. Just copy this, basically. And then if you're using a Mac like me, you're going to go to a really long procedure right here. You're going to go to your users, your user, and then basically library, application support, then the net.metacodes. From there, you will have to open your data folder right here as stated. Open up your MQL5, then experts, then advisors, and then here you have your trade adapter version 1.0 X5. So you'll have to copy all of those and restart your MT4 terminal basically, or MT5, and then open the navigator section as said right here. So advisors, and then refresh it basically. And then here you will have to go to the upper section and navigate to tools basically, and then options right here, and then you will have to allow automated trading and then just turn that on basically. So let's just zoom in for you guys. So it's going to be allow web requests for listed URL. So you have to turn those on and then add the HTTPS, then the mttradeadapter.com in the URLs basically. So in the open window, in the expert advisor tab, you'll have to check if your algo trading is already enabled. So from there, you want to attach your trade adapter EA to the chart basically. And then from here, input the trader API, and then here the values, and then that's your API key, and then you're finished. So that's all you have to do.